The shoemaker and
the
the
elves.
elves. A shoemaker, he is old. The shoemaker and his wife, they are very poor. Tomorrow I can make a pair of shoes, says the shoemaker. The shoemaker reads later. The shoemaker and his wife go to bed. In the morning, the shoemaker wakes up. He goes to the shop. Oh my! Wife, come quickly, come and see, says the shoemaker. A pair of shoes, they are beautiful. A man buys the shoes. He paid a lot of money. Now the shoemaker has money. He buys more leather. In the morning, he can make more shoes.